In this video, we will talk about some formatting of cells in order for you to get the special symbols that we utilize in OpenRoads Designer and get those special symbols to show up whenever you input that into the Excel file. So as you're looking at the Excel file right now, you're going to see in the location area, like for this cell right here, we have left and right CL for center line or Route 77, and have the same thing in D number 9. But you'll notice in D10, D11, and D12, and these other two cells here, that we have this backslash 161. Same here, and then we have some other ones down below there. Those are the special characters that you would need to type in the Excel file in order to get those special characters to show up whenever we import the data into the CAD file. And if I go back to the Standards tab, which is a locked area, and basically this is just how it maps over the information from the Excel file over into the CAD file with the text mapping and the border mapping. But if you look here, there's an area that says special characters. This will give you the idea of if I put in this right here, it's going to map over with that centerline symbol. Same thing for this right here. If I type that in, it's going to have that baseline symbol and so forth. So if you have problems trying to figure out what value I need to put in there to get my center line or my baseline or my plus or minus or whatever, this is the characters that you'd have to input in the Excel file. And I have those examples in these cells right here. So now I will go ahead and run this and show you what it's going to look like whenever we import it into the CAD file. So normal practice, I'll do the auto size columns. Just in case I insert a row or insert a column, make sure those are set correctly. I'll go ahead and click on Run. Files are done. I'll go ahead and click on OK to that. I will go to the CAD file. And now I will go ahead and import that data. There's a few ways you can do it. I'm just going to go ahead and hold my right mouse button down, go to the miscellaneous apps, and select the Excel to OpenRoads Designer. Figure out where I want to place it at, and I'll just left click to place it. And now if I zoom into the location area, you're going to see that centerline symbol in these three areas along with the symbols down below here. So that's what you would need to do in the Excel file in order to get those special characters show up in the CAD file whenever you import that data from the Excel file.